Welcome to this complete Sydney, Australia travel guide, an enchanting city that's as vibrant as the sun itself. Sydney, a place where the urban hustle and the seaside serenity coexist in perfect harmony. Here, skyscrapers kiss the clouds while the ocean waves flirt with the golden sands. In this city, every corner sings a different melody, from the energetic symphony of the bustling central business district to the sweet whisperings of the serene Royal Botanic Garden. Ready to dive into the vibrant heart of Australia's most iconic city? Then stick around. First up, no visit to Sydney can be complete without a visit to the iconic Sydney Opera House. This architectural marvel with its sail-like design is more than just a pretty facade. It's a symbol of Australia's creative spirit, recognized worldwide. The design of the Sydney Opera House was the brainchild of Danish architect Jørn Utzon, who won an international competition to build it in the late 1950s. The construction took 14 years, more than 3 times the expected duration, and the project went massively over budget. Yet when it was finally completed in 1973, the result was nothing short of spectacular. Inside, it's a hub of cultural activity, home to multiple performance venues. From opera, ballet, and symphony concerts to contemporary music and theatre, there's something for everyone. Here's a fun fact. The Opera House isn't just for humans. Every dawn and dusk, a flock of local seagulls performs a fly-past, as if saluting this iconic structure. So whether you're an architecture enthusiast or an opera lover, the Sydney Opera House is a must-visit. Next up, get ready to scale new heights at the Sydney Harbour Bridge climb. This exhilarating journey will take you to the top of an Australian icon, offering a panoramic view of the Sydney skyline that you'll remember for a lifetime. The city unfurls beneath you in a breathtaking display of urban beauty, framed by the endless blue of the Pacific Ocean. The climb itself is an adventure, guided by professionals who ensure your safety every step of the way. With sturdy harnesses and a solid steel structure underfoot, you'll feel secure as you ascend to the summit. And take it from me, the wind in your hair and the city at your feet is an experience like no other. The Sydney Harbour Bridge climb is more than just a walk up an architectural marvel. It's a testament to human ingenuity and a chance to see Sydney from a truly unique perspective. Remember, the best view comes after the hardest climb. Now let's hit the beach, and not just any beach, the world-famous Bondi Beach. This iconic destination is more than just a sandy retreat. It's a lifestyle. Known for its crystal clear waters and golden sands, Bondi Beach is a haven for sun lovers and surf enthusiasts alike. Whether you're catching waves or soaking up the sun, Bondi offers an unforgettable experience. As for the surf culture, it's as vibrant as the Australian sun itself. With surf schools aplenty, you might find yourself riding a wave before the day is out. Beyond the beach, the Bondi to Coogee coastal walk is a must-do. This clifftop trail offers stunning views of the coastline and the shimmering ocean beyond. And let's not forget the beachside lifestyle with laid-back cafes, trendy boutiques and bustling markets only a stone's throw away. So don't forget to pack your swimwear and sunscreen. Bondi Beach is calling and it's time to answer. Moving on, it's time to meet some of Australia's native wildlife at the Taronga Zoo. This isn't your average zoo, folks. Nestled on the shores of Sydney Harbour, Taronga Zoo is a sanctuary for over 4,000 animals, including the ever-adorable koalas and the sprightly kangaroos. You'll also find the elusive platypus here, a creature as unique as Australia itself. The zoo's conservation initiatives are truly commendable, with programs designed to protect and preserve these fascinating creatures. From breeding programs to habitat restoration, Taronga Zoo is a testament to Australia's commitment to wildlife conservation. And let's not forget the stunning harbour views that come with it. Imagine watching a giraffe graze with the Sydney Opera House and Harbour Bridge as the backdrop. An absolute feast for the eyes. But remember, while the kangaroos might be hopping to meet you, the crocs might be a bit snappier, so get ready for a wild adventure. Next, let's explore the bustling waterfront destination that is Darling Harbour. A sparkling gem in Sydney's crown, Darling Harbour is where the city's heart beats loudest. Overflowing with attractions, it's a place where you can get up close with aquatic life at Sea Life Sydney Aquarium or take a journey into the wild at Wildlife Sydney Zoo. For the history buffs, there's the Australian National Maritime Museum, a treasure trove of nautical knowledge. Hungry? No worries. Darling Harbour's dining scene is as diverse as Sydney itself. From sizzling street food to high-end dining, there's a plate for every palate. When the sun dips below the horizon, Darling Harbour truly comes to life. Its nightlife is a symphony of lights, laughter and live music. And let's not forget the events. From Australia Day to New Year's Eve, Darling Harbour is the host with the most, offering a spectacular stage for Sydney's biggest celebrations. Darling Harbour, where the city meets the sea. Up next, step back in time and explore the historic Rocks district. Nestled in the heart of Sydney, the Rocks is brimming with layers of rich history tracing back to the earliest days of the British settlement. Here, each cobblestone street and sandstone building weaves a tale of the past, capturing the essence of colonial Australia. As you wander through the district, you'll find a treasure trove of heritage architecture, from the quaint cottages to the grand warehouses, all preserved meticulously to retain their old-world charm. But it's not just about the past. The Rocks is a vibrant hub of the present too. The district is renowned for its bustling markets, where local artisans showcase their unique crafts and gourmet food stalls tempt you with their delightful offerings. And let's not forget the iconic pubs, some of the oldest in the country, serving up a refreshing pint alongside a generous helping of history. The Rocks, a place where history comes to life. Now, let's take a breather and explore the tranquil Royal Botanic Garden, Sydney. Nestled at the heart of Sydney, this verdant oasis boasts an astonishing variety of plant life with a staggering 8,900 different species. Each one is a testament to the diversity and beauty of the natural world. From towering trees to delicate orchids, the Royal Botanic Garden is a living, breathing gallery of botanical art. But it's not just about the plants. The garden offers scenic views that are nothing short of breathtaking. Imagine a panoramic vista of Sydney Harbour framed by lush greenery. It's a sight that truly encapsulates the essence of Sydney. The garden also serves as a vibrant cultural hub, hosting a myriad of events throughout the year. From art exhibitions to music festivals, there's always something happening beneath the garden's leafy canopy. So, take a moment to inhale the sweet scent of flowers, to listen to the rustle of leaves, to appreciate the tranquility of nature. Remember, to plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. Next, let's catch a ferry and head to the picturesque Manly Beach, a slice of paradise nestled 7 miles northeast of Sydney's city centre. The ferry ride itself is a treat, offering panoramic views of Sydney Harbour, the Opera House and the Harbour Bridge. Manly Beach, a 3-kilometre stretch of golden sand, is not just a beach, it's a lifestyle. Here the sun is always shining, the waves are always rolling, and the surf culture is vibrant. It's a place where the salt water seems to cleanse the soul, and the rhythmic sound of the waves sets the pace of life. You'll find surfers catching the perfect wave, families picnicking under the shade of Norfolk pines, and beachgoers soaking up the sun. On the Corso, a lively pedestrian mall, you can indulge in some retail therapy or enjoy a gelato while people watching. Manly Beach is more than just a scenic spot, it's a way of life, a testament to the quintessential Australian beachside lifestyle, so prepare to ride the wave. Now let's venture out of the city and explore the stunning Blue Mountains National Park. Just a stone's throw from Sydney, the Blue Mountains National Park is a spectacle of natural grandeur. Picture a rugged landscape adorned with eucalyptus forests, waterfalls and sandstone cliffs. A true hiker's paradise, the park offers trails for all fitness levels, from leisurely walks to challenging climbs, each showcasing unique vistas of this UNESCO World Heritage Site. The park is a haven for Australia's native wildlife. Keep your eyes peeled for kangaroos, kookaburras, and if you're lucky, you might even spot a platypus or two. Dive deeper into the history of the land by exploring the rich Aboriginal heritage. The area is a cultural landscape, abundant with sacred sites and ancient rock art. It's a living testament to the deep connection between the indigenous people and the land. So get ready to be one with nature. Lastly, let's indulge in some retail therapy at the Grand Queen Victoria building. A crowning jewel of Sydney, this Romanesque style edifice is a feast for the eyes, with its stained glass windows, intricate tilework and regal dome. Built in the late 19th century, it was named in honor of Queen Victoria, standing as a testament to her reign. Let's talk about the shopping. With over 180 retailers, the Queen Victoria building is a haven for fashionistas, offering everything from high-end designers to unique boutiques. Whether you're seeking the latest trends or timeless classics, you're sure to find it here. And when you've shopped till you've dropped, you can replenish your energy at one of the numerous dining options. From quaint cafes to gourmet restaurants, there's a culinary experience to satisfy every palate. Remember, shopping is always a good idea. So there you have it, 10 unforgettable experiences that Sydney has to offer. From the majestic Sydney Opera House to the breathtaking Blue Mountains, each moment is an opportunity for a new adventure. Don't forget the scenic coastal walk at Bondi Beach, or the bustling atmosphere of Darling Harbour. And of course, the iconic Harbour Bridge climb, Taronga Zoo, the Rocks District, and the historic Queen Victoria building. Thank you for joining us on this journey. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to pack your bags and explore Sydney, the city that never sleeps.